Hello there, this is how a company in Kenya managed to obtain a daily record of 20,000 app installs. Fazia Ali Kimanthi, who is the acting chief for customer business organization at Safaricom now, previously led the digital products and services team, where she was an integral part of the company's digital transformation efforts. This is her statement, quote-unquote. Above-the-line marketing, such as TV campaigns or billboards, dominates marketing budgets in East Africa. But with app usage increasing in sub-Saharan Africa, we knew we had to start changing things up. Not only was it the time right to switch to a digital-first campaign, it was also the perfect opportunity to address our existing, aging app for a new generation of digital natives. At Safaricom, our app is a crucial part of our offering since it allows customers to buy airtime and data, access financial tools, and make payments using the M-Pesa money transfer service. The scale of our challenge was immense. The existing app had almost 6 million installs, but we knew updating it was not an option. That version was buggy, built on aging architecture, and didn't inspire user trust. We set out to replace it with a new app and launch a migration campaign. The new app's release came at a time when most people were both living at and working from home. That meant that we couldn't rely on marketing practices that once worked well in East Africa, like out-of-home, OOH, formats, including billboards and kiosks, to drive awareness and downloads. As such, we decided to go with a performance-driven campaign focused almost entirely on digital channels, using first-party data to provide a customized user experience. We set ourselves a target to grow our digital spend to 40% of our marketing budget. Although some of our budget shifted to digital marketing, there were still limitations. So we worked with the team at Google to optimize the app search campaign to get the best conversions. We used first-party data, like top transactions and behaviors of our existing customers, to inform our Google search campaign strategy. For example, we updated campaign messaging to align it with popular customer behaviors, such as downloading statements, reading online newspapers, and adding on services, like home broadband. This improved customization allowed us to deliver the right message to the right user. We were able to further refine the messaging by using audience lists from Firebase, a tool which helps marketers build and run apps to generate specific actions. That meant that users who had already installed the app were not served ads that prompted them to install it. Instead, they'd see ads that encouraged them to engage with the app more. As a result of this performance-driven approach, the new My Safaricom app took just 1 year to hit 5.5 million installs and saw 20,000 downloads a day at its peak. By comparison, the old app took 4 years to reach 6 million installs. But we know that hitting a large number of downloads is only the beginning. We have to invest in building user trust to create a clear distinction between the old and new app. By measuring engagement and the overall app experience, we are able to make regular tweaks to both our marketing and the user experience. For example, user experience efforts showed that people were being selective about when to use the app due to limited data bundles. To solve for this, we implemented a data share feature, allowing people to share data with friends and family. What we've been able to achieve with digital-first campaigns this year has gone beyond our expectations. The incredible install numbers and high user engagement have convinced everyone within the company to continue on this digital marketing journey. As we look towards the future, we have a goal of becoming a fully digital marketing team. For example, we still rely on USSD for some transactions, and we have plans to move away from this legacy technology to a fully integrated app journey. We also plan to have all our products and services integrated into the app. This allows us to have an end-to-end digital experience for customers that is simple, intuitive, and trustworthy.